Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you these 5 Davinci Resolve animated titles for free. And here is how it looks like. Okay, so this offer only valid for 3 days after this video is uploaded. So make sure you get it. And after that, you will need to purchase it for $1. Okay, so without any further ado, let me show you how to get these free animated titles. So first, click on the link in the description and you will be directed to Gumroad. Okay, after that, click on this free animated titles one and type 0 on the price. After that, add to cart and get. Okay, after that, click on view content and click on this link and you will be directed to Google Drive right here. After that, click download and then extract the file and you will see these two files. This is the Davinci Resolve template bundle and this is the folder. Okay, you can get the file right here as well. So there are two ways to install these animated titles to Davinci Resolve. The first one is just double click on this Davinci Resolve file and like this you will be asked to install the animated titles to Davinci Resolve, but I have already installed it, so I will click cancel. And the second way is to copy this file and then go to C, Program Files, Blackmagic Designs, Davinci Resolve, Fusion, Templates, Edit Titles, and you can paste it here like this. Okay, after that you can go to Davinci Resolve and you can use the titles. Okay, so the duration of this title is 100 active frames. So if you are in a 30 frames per second timeline, you need to extend the duration to 6 seconds. Okay, and if you are in a 24 per seconds timeline, you need to extend the titles to 8 seconds. Okay, so that was how to use it like this. Okay, and you can always change the text and the color and a lot more, the font as well. Okay, and if you are interested to learn how to create these animated titles step by step, you can like this video and comment down below and I will create the tutorial video later. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit a button like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.